Mitochondria, with the figure we'll see cristae, matrix, inner membrane, outer membrane. Each cell requires energy. This energy is produced in mitochondria. Under the electron microscope, a mitochondria is seen as a double membrane structure. Outer membrane is porous and inner membrane is deeply folded. These folds are called as cristae. The inner cavity is filled with proteogenous gel-like matrix containing ribosomes, phosphate granules and DNA. Therefore, it can produce its own proteins with the help of enzyme. Mitochondria oxidizes carbohydrates and fats in the cell. The energy released in this process is stored in mitochondria in the form of ATP, adenosine triphosphate. Plant cells have less mitochondria than animal cell. Function: to produce energy-rich compound ATP, synthesis of proteins, carbohydrates, lipids, etc. by using the energy in ATP. Vacuoles. Vacuoles are the storage sac for the solid or liquid contains. They don't have any typical shape or size. The structure of the vacuole changes according to the need of the cell. Vacuole is bounded by a single membrane. Function: first one, to maintain osmotic pressure of the cell. Second, to store a metabolic byproducts and end products, glycogen, protein, water, etc. Third, in the animal cell, they store waste product and food, while in the amoeba, it stores the food before digestion. In plant cell, vacuoles are full of cell sap and provides turgidity, rigidity to them. Plastid. Why plants' leaves are green and flowers red, yellow, orange or blue? The organelles which give such colors in presence only in plant, it is called as plastid. Plastid have double membrane and are of two types. Now we'll see here the table. It is color of plant parts and pigments. Now green that is example leaves, chlorophyll. Orange example carrot, carotene. Yellow xanthophyll. Purple or blue anthocyanin, and dark pink or beet betalain. Leucoplast, white or colorless plastid. Chromoplast, colored plastid. Chloroplast can be converted into other type of chromoplast. For example, raw green tomatoes turn into red due to the breakdown of chlorophyll and synthesis of glycopene. Chloroplast, with the figure we'll see here, intermembranous space, outer membrane, inner membrane, germ, then stroma, thylakoid. Chloroplasts are important for photosynthesis process that takes place in the leaves. Chlorophyll in chloroplast drops solar energy and converts into the chemical energy. Stroma is in the chloroplast contains enzymes, DNA, ribosomes and carbohydrates that are necessary for photosynthesis. Functions: chloroplast converts solar energy into chemical energy, that is food. Chromoplast gives different colors to flower and fruit. Leucoplasts are involved in the synthesis and storage of food like starch, oil and proteins. Mitochondria and plastids can be produced proteins as well as replicate themselves as they have their own DNA and ribosomes. After studying the cell and cell organelles, you must have come to know that all the functions in plants and animal cells are taking place smoothly due to the cell organelles. Such developed cells are called as eukaryotic cells. Eukaryotic cell, size 5 to 100 micrometers, then number of chromosome more than 1, nucleus with nuclear membrane, nucleolus and nucleoplasm, mitochondria and plastid present. Example: present in highly evolved unicellular and multicellular plants and animals. Prokaryotic cell, size is 1 to 10 micrometers, chromosome is only 1, nucleus, nucleotide resembles nucleus, they don't have membrane bounded cell organelles, example bacteria.